Welcome viewers. In today's class, we will learn about what do we mean by indifference curve. So what do you mean by indifference curve? Curve always represents few presentation, you can say as a graphical representation of few various data which used to represent various values in the series. Here, indifference curves in the economics refers to graphical representation of various alternative combination of bundles of two goods among which the consumer is indifferent. Here in the schedule you can see that the combination of apple and banana, it is represented by combination of P, Q, R, S and T. That is, if there is a production of one apple, there is a production of 15 bananas. Again, if there is production of 2 apple, then 10, again for 3, 6, 4, for 3, 5 and 1. Means what? It is a point that shows combination of two commodities which gives the consumer some satisfactions. Okay, the diagram and the graph represents their structure in here. Next we'll see about marginal rate of substitutions. Okay, so what does this mean? It refers to the rate at which the commodity can be substituted with each other. So how they can be substituted and why they should do so? So that total satisfaction of the consumer remain the same. It means that the satisfaction of the consumer must remain the same. You have to consume both the goods you need to purchase, but their satisfaction must remain the same. While purchasing both the goods, their satisfaction must remain the same. Just as we can see, combination in P, one apple, 15 banana, there is no transformation. In Q, 2 apple, 10 banana. Okay, means what? 5 banana is substituted for produce 2 apple. Okay, then again 3 apple, 6 bananas, means what? Again 4 banana is substituted to produce 1 more apple. So 4B is to 1A. Then again in S, 4 apple, 3 bananas, means again 3 banana is substituted to produce 1 more apple. Again 5 apple, 1 bananas, means what? Again from 3 to 1, 2 again banana is substituted to produce more 2 apple. That is 1 apple more, means what? 2 banana is substituted to produce more 1 apple. So 2 banana is to 1 apple. So in the graph we can see what it represents. The graph here, that is indifference curve, is convex due to diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Means what? It is going down as the banana is substituting, the apple is increasing, right? Means what? The curve is going towards downside. Okay, it is, so this graph represents marginal rate of substitutions. Clear? So students, please do like, subscribe and comment to our channel.